yeah born any ochina enra ebi call so I say league ne de omo a team ne ye hu so omo team dada omo nso omo de no eye abu asi nchen no omo nso de no wo ho ene ye wo omo nso a gradually meka say if they had obstacles so omo ntimi nje omo league ne nso omo nam kwan so ketenkete a omo so try as much as possible say omo beti my omo ne amana omo claim league no enti every week beyond the weekend no something changes and I will continue to open up for some teams they say on betting league you know so we be do no Europeans ne football pundits ne friend no the business end of the season no and I will sika
Prince upon one guy be or
okay, so baby Madrid there me mo etin e dey mo bi mo ebi mo so yemre e dey ma squad bi ene baby e ko sha ase dey free no e Spain and na ko pie be La Liga no mu a e sign say Real Madrid e bo mo game na eno anti no wherefore after 1-1 draw, Real Madrid the boy against Girona. Points no I 6. Number Barcelona 4 game ebo ene enyumre. And it is a Barca 4 when you more game na enyumre ya. Points no moves from 6 to 9. Because our table now when we screen so we are Barcelona 4 club now about 30 games almost 76. Madrid about 31, 70. Meaning say see ameno ka say there is 6 points to them. Nyame ya adom na enwumre Barca 4 we no game na. Omo eko 79. 9 points and them. Ni na ne say enra Madrid club na tenafie any Girona abo 1-1. After Valverde share goal on the 51st minute no, Abranti e friend no Thomas Lehmann take on the 62nd minute. So anche the game was level and from that time ne kono you hold the game now so say referee out na game and the game no ma game ni 1-1. Therefore after side draw we are Madrid the ball and run it say Madrid club no in their last 3 games omo win bi omo boy against Mallorca show mu 2-1 omo ko boy in the Champions League no omo elusi e ofie against Bayern Munich 2-1 and enro against Girona ofie omo 1-1 and I was saying home they say in their last 7 games omo in La Liga no therefore they have not been able to keep a clean sheet and the matter for net there here say you will be able to score against them so we defend well 1 year you get a draw or maybe you're going to even win the game. I didn't think I won't say some no. I am not the company say see and I say pressure I cry yaba because so won't mean Girona. It is going to be very difficult for you to go far away. I war Germany so I Bayern Munich. I war Allianz Stadium. The football no there be a case get me see there. So this mathematics no and should have in favor club never Real Madrid. But for a ball match week 11 all La Liga movie you know number for the 5-point gap and out. So after 20 match days no now there is make us say nearly 9 points because Barca for then you remember when it so 9 points and them after 20 match days and then Madrid club nangasana there this season so where the baller these teams Barcelona Atletico Madrid Villarreal omo ina abo na ebia Real Madrid maybe last season went to Angel La Liga no not this year went to me ansa anjia therefore e man ya ro kakra being a supporter and now being part of that SOMPA sports because for him say nyame ya adom na ye bo Wednesday game if you want Madrid ntimi anwini a it is 2 years in a row make said the official trophies I was season mu no Madrid for ntimi anjini nyina mu bi last year Champions League no, La Liga no, Copa del Rey no. This year, Copa del Rey was free. League, there is now 9 points between Amo and Barcelona. Then in the Champions League no, Amo da fme come you Amo go play away. Akobo against Club a friend of Bayern Munich. And it means say, some Madrid for me and GBBR I have potential so won't mean GBBR no. 2 years. the main trophies of the season no Madrid for the anything GB. They could do sape, not pressure about on the board, pressure about on the management, pressure about on the technical team, that even the playing body no move no. And it's hard to watch these numbers for club now for the Real Madrid. For Alvaro Abello na makanda and when no I know you sound like a broken record. On Ajumano Obi and say on team yet. And the reason why in here, Madrid for an Caribbean Alvaro Abello and say they didn't have any hope. So all but how much me ideas from Kubia with him. Idea no be say betray Masramakwe afa and 5 pamo. So they had no sort of plans. Say Alvaro Abello but he's going to do something very different. And when I'm the phone didn't come on. Obiamo Alvaro Abello but only 6 games. Obiamo did 19 games, 6 losses now in Zaka. Yeah, Bodnia. Obono Echo for Intino press so if we so na Ebamba Pelivision so. Obia said I'm going to because we all know say on one gasano. Alchimano he's not cut for the job.
Yeah, because interestingly, the return of Mbappe, it doesn't look good.
Therefore, you see, some conversations we know, ma having no so many times.
Sure.
Me, there is no one who can convince me say player with mission 40 goals a year. Or a problem.
Because gradually, nanka mutimu onna. And now will be a bony dean at a point say
that is because responsibility.
Yes, because at a point you know near bony deal for Balandi or there any FIFA best there will be an any mumushio.
Or for see I say about sports team.
Yeah.
Now Obika say oh sports team ne on more more of one. Yeah, Papa Clef team.
Sure.
Because I'm fan say oh na why the face of the group.
Sure.
Now I'm the 4 team, no the face of the group is Mbappe, not Vinicius.
Yeah.
And the name man ko year who didn't ever. When I make us say, so player with mission 40 goals a year. Or for how do you win games? You win games by scoring goals. Or score opponent. That is when you win games. And the player also goes, no, he can't be a problem. The only thing they say, man, if what are too individualistic. There is no system and making this team tick. And it's not about Champions League. We had a back say the first 5 runners, most runners, who covered the most kilometers ever game no. And you buy money from one. And you can only blame Mbappe and Vinicius. And the whole system no and are crashing. Last year, Mbappe got closer to 50 goals. This year, English and Hano, he's getting closer to 40 goals. How can you tell me a player in 2 years watching nearly 80 goals, you know? Already a problem. And the whole system now no. And a creative problem in the players because coach is not more paying for no. They've not been able to create a system. I favor those players. No. And to way by Matrawa, wait, Saboha, now wait in Saboha, now wait in Saboha. There is no stability in that team. The team is not stable. And if the team is stable, how do you blame an individual player? Say, I don't know how. And to me, Mbappe issues, man, best make go because I don't see Mbappe as a problem.
Okay.
Therefore, he is placed in the French national team. French national team, you know, or for call on one. Somebody about Madrid, if you're not one of France, he plays in France, he is scoring, the team is winning. But about Madrid, and no club, no. For team, no, I think injuries from Etapa, he is doing his best. They need someone who creates a system for the Madrid team. No, they've ignore so many things. Ignore so many stuff. Now I remember the 14 year great at the time. Or if I'm not taking them when I'm a and I'll get to that part. Line up, everybody. We understood say. Now upon a friend of Alvaro is trying a new medal. Maybe likely that medal is going to play that Champions League game now against Bayern Munich because in himself, so many get available for that game because my brand here will be yellow cards and you come and to remember for the boy now or you see Kamavinga because in himself there say if so many any one more it is going to be Kamavinga who is going to be in that medal and or try Kamavinga, Jude Bellingham and Valverde in that medal and Ibrahim Diaz can be I know say to some extent no Ebia Enya Ibrahim Diaz and started in that medal. Ebi ebe Thiago Peter, ebi ebe Adegule, depending on how he wants to play in that middle. But the whole issue now, Hano, I said, or try a middler, ebi ebe you see, the Champions League in the moon, and the Mbappe, and the finish your winning. I tell him that the cover high is the Champions League no more trying to be available. And I'm tell my start. I mean, I'm man about give me bino. As since you ain't shot saying the Champions League, it is either going to be Dinhausen and our brother Antonio Rudiger. Then on the left back, me won't say I'm not Fallen Mendy be see get him kakra. So maybe it's either going to be Fallen Mendy due to idea course with the Champions League between Michael Olise and then Alvaro Carrillas. But whatever being the case, no, the back line there ever change. Middle line or maybe 3 are going to play. Then in the attacking line there, there's not going to be any changes. The whole issue of this, I even was screaming so, is to try something new and I try something now. Obrakobo club now, your friend of Bayern Munich. Oboku. Opia who again you be and ra. So Real Madrid fan, you will not be happy. So confidence and now work for a comeback no. Oboku that's a year 50%. They say I think they were 50%. Because everyone showings no, not any good showings, not any. But about faithfuls, no, they need to have the belief to say, Madrid for it may come back. But no results, no. One, results no, and inspire confidence. Performance and inspire confidence. And it is due to 2 things. The name oh boy, in the Champions League do this stage account for how you defend and how you attack. Normally in a football game, if you were able to win, you have to defend well and attack well. Let me look at these situations. In the first place, this is how a club and I fan of Girona Eshawo first goal no. Almost show goal no. But go some video where was screen you see. I had a sequence towards the goal. Defending is one of those things. The way a club and I fan of Girona had spaces to operate from. If you take this same situation to FC Bayern Munich team no, with actually better talent in the middle. Pavlovic, Kimmich, Michael Olise, Serge Gnabry, Luis Diaz, Harry Kane. If you take those players, now now they have this space to operate from. Obaku, this is a young poor game, no? Madrid could concede about 4 or 5 goals in the game about Munich. Because the way Girona following their chances, they were able to operate. And player and we have one and I'm not surprised to say that ball is a real. Me was that with our Tiano. What are defensive midfielder? Look at the situation at home. Now, say I have a baller. Most of the times, I was a trauma here, but short. Trauma here, turn holding that one ball. Because we your father said, when number 6 what I had a shield to the back line. But where I bet the friend Kamavinga. On the movie. Oh, did I want more? You're passing ball, but look what he's going to do here. What I say? And this is boy, everybody against Bayern Munich. Now, you can't be the shell of the backliner. There's hugely a problem for club now for Real Madrid. So, I'm not showing defensively. Not and yet. If there's anything to inspire confidence, the way I'm at the for defending and no, I was drawn again, no, not and yet. Then we go to the attacking line. If you want to win games, I say we shall more goals. I say ultimately creative. I say ultimately tontana. If you're not able to do those things, I will give you more. Oh, there's a huge problem. And now upon game on the following year, only 2 big chances. And 2 big chances, no. But I've had come. Because I've had the name individual brilliance. They pass the ball, man. He plays short enough from a tree and a ball in the road. Those big chances, no, Mbappe, Vini, Esserina. And you need to be able to score to celebrate me when they are qualified for next round. Situation is never good. Woku, man, the phone lady one now. This situation could take the game to 2-0. Because 2-0 was the 4-year game, no.
SOMPA
But you see, Vini here about look at the number of players. How many players do you see? 1, 2. And some Mbappe wait 3. But Vini holding on to the ball, I will do this ender or pass the ball on my double or bottom of my keeper channel. But even I've seen more intelligent players create something out of nothing. What am I talking about? There's a space at the Vivnia. And I go to Matiki. Then he chose the wrong option. And I'm Bob my born to say it. So these two players now, make us a some take the mantle to show say omo help my pick team no, any team now winning games no. I won't say some more format but the number of chances that they miss, it was too much. But can I blame these players? Me, I don't mention I'm blaming on Bebri. Where's the flick? The system now building them up Barcelona no. And my crime players are thriving. So even if Lamine Yamal isn't scoring, it will time be. Now Lewandowski anymore for months. Barcelona was scoring. It will be roughing and only all. Barcelona was scoring. Why? Because there's a system I created. Among these players are able to score. Everybody know. Now but there's a franchise or but chance not to go or go but still now Barcelona was scoring. Because the system no create chances. The matter of one day, inshallah. The young boy na locate Mbappe, locate Vinicius, locate Jude Bellingham. Now among conjure BB and find get a chance. So most of the time, say if those players near a bad there, now team system team in answer, the team collapses. And Mbappe, I don't know meaning say maybe they have the Champions League on their mind. Not even one of them. So it's we're attacking yet. Now with defense is really key in goals. What do? You drop points. And general, I wasn't so surprised about game new. Now man the final drop points no. Winning. After the game no, all the conversations are around Mbappe because Mbappe about 2 years ni potentially. Madrid for any trophy BIA substantial NJ. Se Madrid for free Champions League ni mo meaning say Mbappe buy in film yenu Copa del Rey on J, Champions League on J, League on J. And per the amount of money now branch and the huge expectations and that no, it is always going to bring pressure on him. See us about 2009. But the Champions League in 2013, the Real Madrid. But time I now what they call the Champions League they wait. Much time that into no. Not pressure, the only pressure I can't want so no is to win it for Real Madrid because I'm not the 4G. And he got it in 2013. He went on to take the repeat. But from Mbappe the end there, on the Champions League ni be that. And now buy in the first 2 years no and 5. See us in the 4 years. But no 2 years and 5. Now he's not been able to get to a level because now like someone from the quarterfinals. So where that pressure it is going to come. But one thing, the difference between the CR7 time and the Mbappe time, they say, Madrid for me stability. Within the time now, I brought it from Mbappe wall. The time of CR7 buying, even though say buying a Pellegrini, but he had a stable time under Jose Mourinho. Then the person who took over was Carlo Ancelotti. Look at these managers, experience, people who have built projects. But under Mbappe, Carlo Ancelotti ikono, on day Alonso buy only 6 months. Avara Belwa, and now there's not even a coach. I guys, Sabelwa could for more. Why never? So my 40 needs stability. And yes, sir, we will always be blaming Mbappe or buying or share goals. Number one, change away. Obaku, you score goals to win trophies. You score goals to win titles. And what about the others? And the problem no with Mbappe, you know, it is not about him as an individual. It's about a system. Obaku, we are finding a team. Obe create a system, a good system around Mbappe on the trophy. When we go to the 2018 World Cup, 2018 World Cup, no, when they were, Saga for 2018 World Cup, no, they formed a brand from Griezmann as number 10, Jude as number 9, a brand friend of Mbappe, be the floater. When I see Paul Pogba, bless Matuidi, those players behind him, be ever made the hall, they found almost a Pambo of Vinfini. And I want to catch Griezmann said, Griezmann in creative manner. About 2018 World Cup, now Mbappe World Cup. No. Yeah, because 2022 World Cup. He scored a hat-trick in a World Cup final. In that World Cup, no, N'Golo Kante mo. Look at these players. They brought him a teamer, and then Sipamu actually, and Finfini then allow him to do whatever he wants. And the Cameroon club now are blessed. They have Vinicius, they have Mbappe. A coach should form a system for all these boys. If not, Afibia you complain. Mbappe she goes no, and some won't menje. Now they say so won't mean defend it. How boku? Players won't mean defend it. Now, how Argentina 14? Go to Argentina. Catch a Messi go defend it. Go and tell CSM to defend in the Portugal national team. These are players, they make things happen. And the Omodian say, it's a more characterism, you know, they don't defend that much. And a coach, you know, and ever form a team, a system, ever favor, ever more flourishing. But anyhow, and a boy that's one of most of her. Maybe Mbappe, no, on Tamara for being a coach, he will do something, he will find a good way, a system, everybody these boys, no. Every year, be inshallah. Mfabo wa Mbappe. I feel